Like many other areas of consumer electronics, the effort to pack in more and more features into machines as small and portable as possible has revolutionized the digital camera market too. And even within this larger field, the segment of action cameras has particularly benefited from feature-packed small gadgets. After all, if you are skiing down an icy slope or lugging hiking gear over a narrow ridge, the advantage of a handy, lightweight camera is invaluable. The product we have for you today falls in the small camera category and is in fact the smallest splash-proof action cam among the many products on offer from its company. This is the AZ1 Action Camera Mini POV HD video camera from Sony.
Here we go!
The AZ1 Action Cam Mini at 0.8 pounds and 1.06 by 0.97 by 3 inches is designed to cut down on the wind and water pressure experienced by larger cameras when filming. Its slender looks belie its sturdiness though. It has an IPX4 class rating and can stand up to showers, spray and snow, and is waterproof up to a depth of as much as 15 feet. Sony has taken care to ensure that the reduced size doesn't affect the impressive features that have made it earlier action cams so popular with adventure lovers. The camera lets you capture high-quality videos in 5 different modes, including 1080/60p at 50 megabytes per second and 2x slow motion. It comes with advanced steady shot image stabilization, which compensates for all kinds of blur, including the rapid vibrations you might experience in fast action sports like motocross and skiing. The ultra-wide angle professional ZEISS lens helps increase your perspective up to a 170-degree viewing angle, helping capture the terrain in all its expansive beauty. Shooting in low light? Don't worry, Sony's back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS sensor improves image clarity and reduces grain to give you stunning low-light sensitivity. And you even have built-in stereo microphone that allows you to capture all the exciting sounds of your adventure for a perfect cinematic experience. Once you have captured your shots, the Action Cam Movie Creator lets you add effects to your content, and the Ustream feature allows you to log in from anywhere and share all your videos in real time with friends and family. You also have the option of opting for the Live View Remote Kit instead of the base version. This gets you the Live View Remote or the RM LVR2, which lets you frame your shot, change shooting modes, control up to 5 action cams, and turn on GPS remotely using Wi-Fi. Irrespective of whether you choose to pay a little extra for this nifty tool, you can be assured of the fact that you have a great adventure companion in the Sony AZ1 Action Cam Mini. It has scored a very impressive average of 4.2 on 5 stars from a little over 100 customer reviews, with its portability, strength, and even looks earning it strong comments. That's about all we have on the Sony AZ1 Action Cam Mini POV HD video camera for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other wearable camera reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.